Once I got into lighting, I realized how completely it changes the vibe of a room. You can have the same furniture, same walls, change the light, and the whole mood shifts. And lamps do most of that work. But when we started looking at lamps, most of them felt the same. Spheres, squares, a few wavy shapes, nothing that actually meant something or connected to real life. That's when Luminark happened. Not one, not two, not 5 or 10, but a full collection of 28 lamps. Each lamp is inspired by something real, from architecture, science, sacred symbols, geometry, and even sci-fi. Think Pantheon, Colosseum, St. Basil, Notre Dame, Ammonite and Dune, Sri Yantra and Tree of Life, Pillars of Creation and Dyson Sphere, plus Mobius Strip, Taurus, Hypatia Shell, and more. Now, we didn't want this to be print another whole lamp every time you want a new look, so we made Luminark swappable. You print the slim magnetic base once, drop in a flat LED puck, add the magnets, and then just print the shades you like. Snap them on, snap them off. You don't need to reprint the base again and again. Change the shade to match your mood, your desk setup, your season. You can literally switch looks in seconds. And if you want colors, print a thin circular 3D printed sheet in any color you like and place it above the LED. You'll get different colors without changing the light. Prefer using a bulb? We've got you. The same 28 designs also come with an E27 base. Just install a standard E27 holder, put magnets in the base and the shade, screw in your bulb, and you're ready. You can even use smart bulbs if you want warm, cool, or color scenes. Same collection, same designs, just a different mounting style for people who love the bulb look. And if you don't have space on your desk, we made a stand system. You can 3D print a screw-together base, foot, and rods, and assemble them. Now you've got a standing lamp with a magnetic mount that lets you swap any shade you like, or use wooden dowel rods instead of 3D printed rods for a clean, minimal look. So that's Luminark, a curated collection of 28 story-driven lamps you can swap in minutes. Make your place cozy, majestic, and personal. Something that starts conversations. People will definitely ask where you got it. Get yours today